Your engine's gonna blow up if you keep riding it. Yeah, dude, it's not good.
Can you hear it bubbling?
It's leaking out of the system.
Today I'm with the club. We're gonna change up the way we make these videos a little bit. Start doing the intros on the move. Whoa. So we're gonna change things up just a little bit, man. I don't know, I'm tired of sitting at a gas station doing the intro. It just feels like the same video every time, different location, right? Well, whatever. Anyway, today I don't really have anywhere planned, but I am hungry and I'm gonna go back to a familiar place that I haven't seen in a long time. A place that Caleb hates. Whoa. Literally, he almost killed me. The place I think we're gonna eat at, Boston Market. I haven't been in so long and I'm so hungry. I just feel like a home-cooked meal, man. I do. So we're gonna get some turkey, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Oh, I can't even wait. I can't wait! Should I go ahead and rub it in and tell you guys how beautiful today is? Nah, I don't need to. Oh my god, I thought that guy wasn't wearing pants. I don't know what that was all about, but alright. Why are you off all my shit? You just scratched my bike, dude.
Did I do all that?
I'm making a claim to my insurance company. It's documented.
Wait, would you even be able to make a claim?
Hell yeah, I would. You're gonna have to pay my deductible, at least $500.
I don't want you to show everyone my house, though.
I'll blur it out, man. Right. I always do. Whoops. You ever notice if you make a wrong turn and you accidentally go down a cul-de-sac, all the people that live in that cul-de-sac are so intent on figuring out who you are and why you're there. They think you're just a scumbag. Even if you showed up in like a Rolls Royce, whatever, they think you're still casing the joint. A lot of comments from that last video where I beat this bike up going up that hill. Don't worry, man, this bike's not going anywhere. This thing would have to be folded in half literally before I got rid of it. If I blow the motor, I'm putting a new motor in it. This is stuff you see wrong with it. It's all cosmetic anyway, man, so I don't care. She's a good one. She's a good one. And I'll tell you what, one way or another, this bike will see 100,000 miles. And it's gonna be hard miles. You know I ride the hell out of this bike, man. I'm not slowing down. This bike gets ridden. She doesn't look as good as she once did. She's a great bike, man. I smell antifreeze. We're gonna be good to the bike. We're gonna do the 91. Jays, watch out, buddy. What are you doing? I do have a second channel that is completely different than this channel. So if you guys decide you like me and you like my personality and whatnot, you don't have to watch these videos all the time. Go over to the other channel. Check out what I got going over there. It's fun, dude. It really is. It's fun. Hey.
Hey.
What are you doing? You alright?
I was just waiting for you.
Oh, I'm slow.
I followed the smell of the logo and it took me to here.
I think my radiator is going to explode. Do you hear it bubbling? Yeah. I don't know. We might have done some damage to this bike.
Coolant when you drove away. It's not worth it. Your engine's gonna blow up.
You think I'm leaking coolant?
You got coolant in your under there too. Your engine's gonna blow up if you keep riding it. Yeah, dude, it's not good.
Can you hear it bubbling?
It's leaking out of the system.
Can you hear it bubbling though? Listen.
This means you have a bunch of air in there because the coolant's leaking out.
This is a county jail, dude. Let's go visit some inmates.
My uncle's in here.
What's he in for? Jumping in bushes?
He stole a Taco Bell. Put the whole restaurant in his back and went on the run.
Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to jail.
Is that the parade?
This is where you wind up if you break the law. Oh, shit. We have to think of an interesting question, quick.
You say if I think my uncle's in here, but I'm not sure, what do I do?
Yeah. He's got an uncle that he thinks is in here, and we were just trying to figure out how about going to find him. He hasn't talked to him for, what, 10 years? We're just trying to reconnect with him.
You would have to come in and find out if he's here. Do you have somewhere to lock your helmets up or anything in there?
No, maybe we'll just come back in the car.
We have lockers in here too. I don't know if you want to try that.
You want to go in?
Yeah, sure. What are we going to do in there?
We put ourselves in a predicament. Let the bike cool down for a bit. Let's go find your uncle.
No. Put your helmet up on top there. So we're not going to take possession of your wallet. So make sure.
Alright, so we're out of jail. We bailed ourselves out with a quarter. Alright, let's eat, man. Whoa. It's crazy to see all this stuff all developed up. You guys remember when I first started this channel? There used to be a military base over there. We used to sneak in there and race on the runway. It's all gone now. That's the worst color for a Prius. The worst. Seafoam, right? Anybody watching these videos drive a seafoam colored Prius? Just go ahead and unsubscribe now. I'm just kidding. Stay subscribed. Oh man. What is this? You know what? I'm not saying shit because I'm driving a blue bike with flames on it. Would you rather drive a seafoam Prius or a pink Tesla? I think I'd take the pink Tesla. Let me know, guys. I need to know. Comment below. I haven't had Boston Market in a long time, Caleb.
That's a good thing.
It's a bad thing. Move! Get out the way, yo! Someone always blows this light. The light will turn green and there'll be like 2 cars left wide open. It'll be a Prius though, you know that, right? So in normal scenarios, I'd just end the video right after we got done eating. Not anymore. I'm telling you, I'm turning over a new leaf. At least I'm gonna try it for a little while. Just gonna kind of go with the flow. And then whenever I decide that I'm done riding for the day, when I end the video. They're everywhere. Can't get away from them. Alright, well I'm pretty confident nothing more interesting is going to happen. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are and I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me motivated and the bike healthy. Just like the channel sponsors do. Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Remember guys, support the companies that support us, man. Alright, love each and every one of you. Take care, man. Oh yeah, and Boston Market was amazing as always. Later.
So we walked in and we were all nervous and they were giving us shit. They kind of started to think something was going on, so they followed us up to the window to see what the hell we were doing. And they asked what the name was and I said John. Just the most generic name I could think of, and they actually found a John. They go, is he born in 19? And I said, yeah. And they were like, all right, we're gonna bring him up. So they bring the guy up, and we were all expecting to get in trouble. The guy goes along with it. He talks to us for like 5 minutes, and then we left, and that was it.